Hello, leaders, and welcome to a new episode of the Environmental Leadership Series. In this episode, we'll be talking about strategizing and planning, how you can organize your campaign successfully. Bringing thoughts into action. Whether we act to change social, environmental, or economic issues, or a combination of the three, we all need to understand how best to organize for change. Today's video will mostly include notes from Kim Bobo, Jackie Kendall, and Steve Max in their handbook, Organizing for Social Change, Midwest Academy Manual for Activists. You can see the citation down below if you want to check out the book. I will also include some of my own commentary on organization from my own experiences. Choosing your issue. The obvious first step in organizing your campaign is to choose your issue and become knowledgeable about it. Take the time to research the issue through local archives, interviews with local residents and officials, possibly going to a specific site where the issue is occurring. When trying to research an environmental issue, make sure that you contextualize the issue beyond its environmental impacts, i.e., how does it affect your community? Does it affect public health, local economy, specific groups of people, etc.? No matter what issue you choose, always make sure you take the time to research it before you go out and organize. See Bobo et al. Pages 21 through 28 for more information on choosing an issue. Strategy. According to Bobo et al. Page 30, a strategy is a, quote, method of gaining enough power to make a government or corporate official do something in the public's interest that he or she does not otherwise wish to do, end quote. In other words, a strategy is simply a guiding principle for how you can persuade local officials to make changes on your issue. Strategies change all the time due to conditions in the political landscape and campaign developments, so make sure you have the capacity to adapt to your campaign when necessary. This is very important because every time you go out and organize, you may want to optimize your campaign based on reactions from your constituents and from followers too. Making a plan. Beyond being a guiding principle for your campaign, there are steps that will make your campaign strategy successful. First, you must define the goals for your campaign at every stage, short-term, intermediate, and long-term. Make these goals actionable and scheduled out. Second, you must identify your, quote, constituents, allies, and opponents, end quote. Knowing who these people are early on in the process will help you adjust your campaign strategy as you go. Last, you must define the decision makers for your issue. This or these people or person will be the person who you target with your tactics. And what are tactics? According to Bobo et al., page 46, a tactic is the end point of a strategy where the rubber meets the road. Organizers use tactics to fulfill their strategy's functional goal. Some of the crucial criteria of tactics, according to Bobo et al., include being focused on a decision maker and a single demand in your campaign, being outside of a decision maker's ability to thwart it, and being something that you and your followers can easily do. With any tactic that you do, stand down and address the issue head on. Go to a town hall, write petitions, or call your representatives. Whatever gets your point across as effectively and as bureaucratically as possible, go do it. What can you do? Start a petition drive? Write a letter to the editor? Call your representatives? Complete door-to-door campaigning? Create turnout events? Create art? Promote an issue on social media? Organize a rally or march? Attend town hall meetings? Set up an educational meeting? Attend organizational meetings? Or plan a boycott? And there are many ways that you can get your point across, so be creative and figure out what works best for you and your followers. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. There will be new videos every Wednesday. And as always, go out and be great leaders.